no wipe top coat. We are going to have the class, a 3-day class in Ann Arbor training. It's gonna be really amazing class and happen once a year, which is once a year for Master Brand Ambassador. We're saying it because it's got an opportunity that you and us, which is Glitz Accessories and such, got an opportunity to work together in the future, sharing a lot of passions with so many different other nail techs. So I am going to cure this for only 15 seconds, okay? No wipe top coat, 15 seconds. Let me see. We can do this one with chrome. We can also do this one with just 15 seconds only. I don't need longer than that, please. Thank you. Kimberly, I did foil. Did we do foil last? We did foil last video. So next video we'll do foil. Yes. Thank you, Kimberly. All right. So let's do some chromes. What's the name of this? Do you remember? I think a green forest. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna do is just diagonal right here.
No, do strip.
No, I'm gonna do a diagonals right here.
Like one in the middle.
Just
space.
beautiful. You can do however you want. You can do half of it. Let's do a diagonal. See how it turned out with us. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna leave it at half off or middle. Sorry. All right. I think I got it good. Completely this. It's cute. Looks super cute. Great. And I am going to using my really cute Weaver gel. I have it here, my Weaver gel pure white. Hey Blondie. Thanks so much, Nuna. Hi Rachel. Hi X Nails. Hi Annie. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Tuesday. Pure white Weaver gels. I'm using my, it's funny, I was sharing with you, then you're like, hey, you know, this one is cool. You can do this one, you can do, there are different colors you can do it too. The black, I think a black will look stunning too. I think. Sorry everyone, I couldn't leave this one up, so. Really cool. You want to go back more, like, give it more strip on it. Looks really cute. You can do more with this. It's so much fun. Just wipe it off. And I will do cure this for about 60 seconds first. And then if you want to do more after all that, the strips, you can using our dot tool and do it more. It's really fun. I love this. I using my toothpick and I tape them like, it's so funny. Vicky is just like, why do you do all this? And then stick it together. It doesn't look professional. But it looks so much fun that if you want to do 4 like strip at the same time. Great. However you would like, this is an idea for you, I think. Looks fun. Should I put some crystal on it? To pick. I did 4 of them. I will key it for 60 seconds, okay? Let me key it for 60 seconds. Should I? Should I do more? I should. Hold on. Let me do something cool though. 4 of them. I did 4 of them. And you can do 5, and some I do 5. I using Desert Digits. I using Kira Sky Lamb. Oh, this is so stunning. I don't know how your end, but my end looks really stunning. I want to wear this nails. Ah. Looks cool. Okay. And let me key it for 60 seconds. We'll do some crystal on this one. Looks really cool background though. You can do a darker or lighter. I'm so happy with that. I did 4 of this together. I'm using a little tape, like Scotch tape. I think it's that Scotch tapes. Yes. You can do 5. Sometimes I do 5 or 6. So it really depends. It's really cool though. I do some of the nails with this, and it's so much easier. You can achieve, you know, the strips in like a faster, either way. We'll also have the strips, instant strips already. If you want, you don't want to do a weaver gel. It's just for your preference, you know. However, but this one you get to do like all different like strip the way you want it. But then the strips, instant strip that we have, it just only go a certain way. So you can't change it. I'm so excited. It looks so stunning. And should we do some our mixed bag? Today is gonna be back to our mixed bag. I would do a mixed bag, or I would do. Can I get the different? We can do a mixed bag right here. Oh, I already know what I'm gonna do. Okay, go back to my condensed glue gel. I can't literally do anything without this because this will hold all my crystal in one place. Get some of this come in. Just a good amount, and it's so thick density that it's not even move. So it will really angle down your crystal in no problem. So if you are first time working with our condensed glue gel, it is so normal when you feel really thick density because it is supposed to be like that. So all you need to do, don't hesitate to just blend them out and have them lay in flat. Don't afraid to blend them out because they will hold really tight. You don't want to let it like too much glue. It's going to flood your crystal. So I am going to cap on that condensed glue gel, wipe my brush off, and go right into my no wipe top coat. This no wipe top coat and unclear condensed glue gel will help, you know, is grab the crystals base into the nails, and it will help to stationary the crystal there. When you key it, it's gonna stay until like the next 3 weeks. So I am going to use my dragon scale. Everyone, I'm so excited. This dragon scale is so stunning. So simple and easy. If all of you are using this, do not afraid of be create with this. I'm using both of the colors, I think a green and a blue. I don't remember what's the name of it. So we have so many different colors of dragon scale. 20 different, no, I'm sorry, 24 different, I think. All right, keep going. This is so easy. When you're seeing this, one of the side is the halo. That's the one you're gonna place them down. And the other side is really like you can see, it looks like, how do I say it? It looks like, all of a sudden I forgot that word. It's like halo, and then the other one is like raise up. And that's how you're gonna pick. At first, like I'm really, when I'm like you, just learning it, and I just have a hard time. I say, oh, I don't know how to make it looks good. It looks so awful. I did upside down, which is normal. And I got figured out how to do it really fast and quick, and bam, you know, I got it down. Oh, this one is so stunning. Hold on. I found something that I want to put it on. I can't do it without having crystals. I have to have some on it. But also, all of your mixed bag, when you get it, I'm so thrilled because every time I got to open the new bags, there are different new elements in there. But then the same theme of the colors, but a different new elements, which is, I really like it. I would like to change, you know. It's another one I like to do it too, but I don't want to take away from the crumbs. Also, I don't want to take away too much of, I'm using some SS. Can you get me SS3? I always have my SS3 on my side because I love the added-ons. See how simple it is, everyone? Okay, I have my SS3 always on my side, and when I travel or when I work, I have it right here. You can see it. And this is cool, stunning, that you place right between the two dragon scale. If you want to add the beads on, you can. If you don't want the beads, then you're totally fine too. Should I add the beads on? Just a couple. Too far away. Just a couple for the bigger crystal. I think I did too far away. See, I'm so messy. I'm excited. If you have any questions, can you comment it for me? I am going to answer all the questions now. All the question, no question, is small question, please give it to me. I'm ready for you. Great. Okay, I think I'm good with this. Maybe one more. I keep saying I'm good and I'm keep adding it on. It's so looking really good. Okay. Let me closer to you. Can Facebook and Instagram see this? Great. All right. A little bit crooked to me. I'm gonna adjusting it before I cure it, because when you cure, this is really nice about, I love how using a condensed glue gel and no white top coat, because then you can adjusting anything before you curing it. Great. Do you post to Australia? Yes, we do ship to Australia. Foxy, yes, we do ship international, sweetie. We do ship to all over the world. If you have any other questions, just feel free to asking us. It's really cool though. It's just the nails. I really like it. This is all the designs for beginners, so don't afraid of to really unleash your potential, because I know you all can do it because you are so good at it. I just like, you know, like a little ideas for all of you to get more idea for you every day. I'm so excited because tomorrow we have another